User-defined fields. Supplier user-defined fields. You can add additional information about your supplier. For an example, if you want to add supplier business registration number to the system, you can create business registration additional file using text field. To access this function, click Company. Change company settings. User-defined fields. Supplier. There are 4 types of fields. Text. You can enter an alphanumeric description, of up to 50 characters. Numeric. You can enter numbers. Yes, no. This is a checkbox, which you can check or uncheck. Date. You can enter dates. You can add 12 additional fields for each supplier. 3 text values. 3 numeric values. 3 yes, no values. 3 date values. After enter details, click Save button. Once you have set the user-defined fields, you can add extra information when editing your supplier.